Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to switch your X app to light mode. Whether you prefer a brighter screen during the day or just want to change up your look, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to your account so you can access your settings. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your profile picture. This will open a side menu with several options. Next, scroll down and tap on the section that says Settings and Support. When the menu expands, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where you can find all the controls for managing your account, preferences, and how the app looks on your device. From here, tap on Accessibility, Display, and Language. This section includes display settings, text size, and theme preferences. Then, tap on Display. You'll now see a few visual options to customize how the app appears. Look for the option labeled Dark Mode. This is where you control how light or dark your interface appears. Tap on it and you'll see a few choices. To switch to light mode, select Off. The app will instantly change to a bright, clean look. It's that simple. The light mode helps when you're in a bright environment, making text easier to read and visuals more clear. Some users also prefer it for a classic minimal look that feels easier on the eyes during the day. And if you ever decide to go back to dark mode, you can simply return to the same settings and toggle it back on. That's all it takes to turn off dark mode and enjoy the light theme on X. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with someone who might need it and explore more quick tips to customize your X experience exactly the way you like it.